Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be working on installing the gas pedal and other things behind the dash. Hi everybody and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. And I just want to say thanks to everybody because they have been sharing my videos. And they've actually, some of them have exploded pretty well because of that. So thank you again, I really appreciate that. So before I hop on the gas pedal, there's a few things that I need to tighten up, like the bolts on the gas tank and a fuel line clamp that's kind of interfering with the body, so I need to flip that around. And now that I have my new computer, I can actually start figuring out what we need to do behind the dash and see where everything's going. So we're gonna jump into that right now. So with the new LED taillights that they have for this car, we have to actually switch out the actual relays. And those relays come with some ground wires that you need to ground. And so there's 2 extra ground wires plus a ground wire off the actual fuse box. So I'm going to do a little soldering to kind of marry that all together. And then we'll go ahead and create an area on the frame to actually ground everything to. Now I'm going to grab all my wire harnesses that are in boxes and kind of spread them out here so I could see how much wire do I have, how much is going through the firewall, how much is shoving under the dash, et cetera, et cetera. Because I really need to get an idea of, am I grommeting this stuff, what's going through the trans tunnel, all that kind of stuff. So let's check it out. So the amount of wiring that I have is pretty crazy, and it's not like, the wires don't freak me out. It's the girth, the amount of wires that need to go through the tunnel and stuff like that. But besides that, I'm really happy with all the stuff that I thought I was going to get done months ago. I'm actually just buttoning up now, just because things depend on other things being done. And it doesn't seem like it's really easy to just get one thing done and do another thing. We'll do a little bit of this. Oh, but that has to work off of that. Okay, well, let's do some of that. Well, that has to work off of that. Well, let's do some of that. And then somewhere slowly, you just kind of finally circle the drain and get to the final flush, if you will. So, but anyways, I'm pretty excited. Things are going well. Have a great day.